What's up, y'all? First, y'all probably thinking, why every time we come on here, she got a different hairstyle? Well, this is my vacation hairstyle. So, y'all will be seeing it for a little minute because we about to go on vacation. But anyways, what we're really here for is, we got a package from Amazon. Asian snacks. Let's go. Okay, so we're back and Precious made the noodles, so we're gonna go ahead and eat them first. It's those, how you pronounce that, Precious?
Samyang.
Oh, you did?
See that?
No. So he's reading that up there, y'all. I'm talking about this.
My real mama Korean.
So buldak.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, mama.
Buldak stir fried ramen, however y'all want to pronounce it. So it looks like regular noodles.
Oh, look at the steam.
You can't see the steam in the camera, can it?
You just look like my wife here. Hey, babe. What's up?
Really, nigga?
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna try the noodles.
These are spicy. As hell. Huh.
Jesus Christ.
Too hot.
Yeah. As I still eat. Because I'm trying to figure it out, but it's hot. Can you bring us a water bottle?
They so weak, they need water. Y'all so weak.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
So, we gonna get some water on that note. All right, y'all. So, we gonna eat some of these crackers because maybe that'll tone it down. So we're gonna try the rice crackers in the box.
Man, that stuff got my lips tingling.
Yeah, they tingling.
Yeah, my lips ain't tingled that much since I kissed you.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
What's these crackers again?
Rice crackers, we're gonna try these.
The first taste is okay. It's an aftertaste that's kind of like plain, like nothing. I don't know what season on it.
I guess.
Something on it.
I guess it's supposed to just be plain. Let me tighten them up. It's okay. All right, so we're gonna try whatever this is. Mushrooms with the chocolate top. Y'all already know from the other video, I don't like chocolate. But
This gonna give you an aftertaste of like church socks or something.
Huh?
Here go you two. I guess we only need one, really.
Yeah, that's the, they look like them, what's that candy? I mean, not candy, but the little dipstick thing, like the little dip. You dip.
Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll with the,
What? You like that? You ate one? Oh, yeah.
Choco Boy. It's okay, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I like that one. Because it say maple corn and maple syrup, that don't sound good. Huh? Them even they aftertaste even taste okay, don't it?
Baby, show 'em this strong. Somebody tell my daughter to slow down on the moves.
All right, y'all. Let's try.
It's odd.
It's good.
It's odd.
Yeah, it ain't bad.
That first taste is odd. And how many of us?
3. 1. This got pink, so I think this strawberry. This got brown, so it's chocolate. It's like yellow. So it could be, yeah, it could be banana, vanilla, something like that. I'm gonna let you try that one. Chocolate in it.
Boy, if you don't.
You don't like it?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is definitely strawberry. You don't like it?
Alright.
That's alright. Looks like some type of milk.
my chest hurt.
Well, it say milk and yogurt flavor.
Slow down.
It say yogurt. It say no caffeine, no preservatives, no
Can I drink
corn
it?
syrup. New feeling of soda beverage.
That's
Refreshing milk and yogurt flavor.
That's good.
She's from Korea, y'all. It's okay.
It tastes like a soda.
Bruh. I could get down with it.
Yeah, I could too. Tastes like tea without sugar.
Oh,
I don't like it.
it tastes like tea.
Like some type of tea.
Tastes like safety pins.
Okay.
Like safety pins.
Yeah, it
So we're gonna get them just going. Cause you ate them hot noodles. Now your nose running. It's giving COVID.
Lord have mercy, you don't waste all them folks stuff. It's called what? Was it just cookie or was it a cracker?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's
'Cause I
all it
can't
is. I
read.
remember them when I had them.
Ew, it's got no flavor.
It's no taste.
Not
Straight cracker.
Ouch.
like a Ritz cracker.
Yep.
There we go. All right. It looks like some type of chocolate. Y'all already know what it is. Yep.
With a cookie on the back. Or is that it? Or they just love crackers.
No, I think they like crackers. Let's go.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Just the small pieces.
Some in the middle.
It say white hen. Maybe it's chocolate. She said white hen. I said,
White hen.
y'all thinking of like besties.
White
All right, this one got chocolate. It's just the same, but it's got chocolate inside. Let y'all do that.
It's good.
Could be. No, it's hazelnut. I ain't eating Nutella though. So I'll try it. What y'all think?
Good.
It'll do. You said everybody should. Oh, they fed these here? Oh, so you don't want none?
I do.
This one is great.
Not great.
What? You said not great. The other one mango. You know what it is with mango.
Yeah, you're right.
That's mine. They get the grape chew. It looks like a Laffy Taffy type deal. And I get mango because I like mango, y'all. I'm not supposed to be eating that. It's good. We like that. All right, that. It looks weird in there.
I guess they were on fire.
It's a sunflower. For these.
Right?
No way.
Ooh.
Oh,
I don't want that. It's gross. What is that?
Is that? Oh shit! What is that?
It tastes like chapstick.
yeah, that tastes like
Chapstick?
the back of a house shoe. You ever ate it? Yeah.
Really, really though. It tastes like chapstick. She said, get that out of my mouth. All right, y'all. So that concludes the Asian snacks. We give it, he gives it a 6 out of 7. I give it about a 7, and she gives it a 10, and that is that on that. So thank you guys for watching to the end if you stay to the end, and thank you for coming back if you're a returning subscriber. We really appreciate it. I'm going to be going on vacation at the end of this week. Nobody else excited?
Oh, yeah.
Nobody else excited?
Bruh.
Please be patient, stick around, and we'll have plenty for you guys to see when we get back. Please hit that bell for all notifications so that you can be notified every time we make a new video. And you got something to say?
Yes. Sandy beaches, blue water, and our chest hair blowing in the wind.
Okay.
Anyways, y'all, please ignore him. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.